Welcome to Control Bridge Group. In today's video, we're covering a crucial area of ISO, IEC 27001-2022, Control A.5.31, legal, statutory, regulatory and contractual requirements. Visit centriosis.com to discover our ISO 27001 application and subscribe to stay protected and compliant. The landscape of information security is shaped not just by risks, but by laws, regulations and contracts. This control is about ensuring your organization knows what rules apply, and can demonstrate that it complies with them. Because ignorance is never a defense. Control 5.31 requires your organization to identify, document and regularly review all legal, regulatory, statutory and contractual obligations related to information security, data privacy and protection, industry-specific regulations, contracts with customers and suppliers, employment laws affecting user access or confidentiality. It's about ensuring compliance is embedded in your ISMS, not treated as an afterthought. This control applies to any law, regulation, or contract that imposes obligations or constraints on how you manage and protect information. That includes data protection laws like GDPR, CCPA, PDPA, cybersecurity regulations like NIS2, SOX, or local frameworks, sector-specific compliance like HIPAA or PCI-DSS, employment and labor laws that impact access rights and responsibilities, service agreements, SLAs, supplier contracts, and NDAs. And don't forget international laws, especially if your data crosses borders. To comply with Control 5.31, you'll need clear and current documentation, and the ability to show that these requirements are being followed. Auditors will look for evidence such as a legal and regulatory register, a contractual obligations matrix for suppliers, clients, and partners, mapped requirements to specific controls or policies in your ISMS, regular reviews and updates of applicable laws and contracts, proof of internal communication and training, monitoring mechanisms for compliance enforcement, records of legal advice where interpretations are unclear, corrective actions taken in case of non-compliance. It's not just about knowing the rules, it's about showing you're actively managing them. Non-compliance can lead to legal penalties and fines, lawsuits or contract disputes, loss of certifications and trust, reputational damage, operational interruptions. But with Control 5.31 in place, your organization can avoid regulatory surprises, strengthen supplier and customer relationships, gain peace of mind during audits, prove your ISMS is fully aligned with legal obligations, protect your brand and your bottom line. Compliance isn't just a checkbox, it's your license to operate. At Control Bridge Group, we help organizations build and maintain legal and regulatory registers, map compliance obligations to ISO 27001 controls, review contracts and third-party SLAs for security clauses, conduct readiness assessments and gap analysis, prepare for audits and certification, train internal teams to stay ahead of evolving legal risks. Whether you're subject to GDPR, NIS2, HIPAA, or industry contracts, we make sure you're compliant, confident, and covered. Is your organization aware of every legal and contractual obligation it faces? Let's make sure you're covered before it becomes a problem. Contact Control Bridge Group today for expert guidance on ISO 27001 compliance and legal risk management. Visit centriosis.com to discover our ISO 27001 application and subscribe to stay protected and compliant.